Hello, have you ever been confused by noun clauses and adjective clauses? You're not alone. In this video, we're going to break down these two types of dependent clauses, making them easy to understand and use. Let's dive in. Before we talk about noun and adjective clauses, let's do a quick review. A clause is any group of words that has both a subject and a verb. An independent clause is a complete thought and can be a sentence by itself. A dependent clause, however, is an incomplete thought. It's a clause that depends on an independent clause to make sense. Today, we're focusing on two specific types of dependent clauses. Let's start with noun clauses. The concept is simple. A noun clause is an entire clause that does the job of a single noun. Since a noun can be the subject, object, or object of a preposition in a sentence, a noun clause can do all those things too. They are often introduced by words like that, what, who, and others. So, to summarize, a noun clause acts as a noun, answering, what? A quick tip is to see if you can replace the clause with a pronoun like, it. An adjective clause describes a noun, answering, what kind, or, which one, and it will always be sitting right beside that noun. Now, let's move on to adjective clauses. Just as a noun clause acts like a noun, an adjective clause acts like an adjective. Its only job is to describe a noun or pronoun, giving us more information about it. That's why they are also called relative clauses, because they relate back to a noun. They almost always start with a relative pronoun like who, which, or that. Let's see some examples. In the first sentence, what she said is the entire noun clause acting as the subject of the verb was. In the second, that he is honest, is the noun clause acting as the direct object of the verb no. Finally, in the third sentence, whether you try is the noun clause acting as the object of the preposition on. See how the whole clause functions as one single unit. This is the most important slide. How can you tell them apart? It all comes down to their function. Ask a question. A noun clause will often answer the question, what? For example, I heard what? I heard what he said. The entire clause is the thing that was heard. An adjective clause answers, what kind, or, which one? Which car? The car that he bought. The clause, that he bought, is just giving us more information about the car. It's not the main subject or object itself. So, to summarize, a noun clause acts as a noun, answering, what? A quick tip is to see if you can replace the clause with a pronoun like, it. An adjective clause describes a noun, answering, what kind, or, which one, and it will always be sitting right beside that noun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has made noun clauses and adjective clauses much clearer. Have a nice day.